Hey, Miss Neville Science students, I wanted to show you how to use a new website that we'll be using to do math assignments because we're going to be going on to learning about simplifying fractions. And so there's some assignments that I want you to complete using something called iknowit.com. iknowit.com. When you type in iknowit.com, you're then going to go to the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click log in. When you click log in, you'll type in I am a student. Our class code is 101085. Everyone has the same class code. You're then going to type in your username and your password. Your username is your first initial last name. Okay, your first initial last name. And your password is the word password. And then you're going to click log in. Okay? Now, for Josiah and Jackson, you guys have, and Tristan, you guys have punctuation in your last name. I'm asking for you to leave that punctuation out when you put in your last names. So after you've typed in your information, I'm going to log into Jordan's account. You'll log in. And there's two assignments here you have to complete. You need to complete fractions of shapes and sets first, and then simplifying fractions second. Complete the navy blue lesson first, and then simplifying fractions second. Once you've completed those, it'll give you a grade. That grade will be saved, and Miss Neville will enter it into the grade book. Please take your time. Start with the navy blue first. Happy working.